Welcome back to another session together where we are again using Cursor to build new features and new things, new exciting things. This video will be quite short, however, unlike the other ones. But in this video, I wanted to speak to you especially about the prompt you use. So in a prompt, you have to be specific. It is right, but with Cursor, because you can mention, and that's an amazing feature actually, is the rules. That feature, Copilot at the moment doesn't have it, and you can have a user rules that will apply for all projects you will open with Cursor under your user, or you can add a specific project rule. And a website I like to go, it's the name of the website, .cursor rules. And there you have a lot of really handy rules. I'm not sure if I have a few ones. No, I don't, but that's not a problem. Like something I can show it to you already. That's like a basic rule you can base yourself off. The instruction, the expertise, the approach you want AI to do, the output format, and then the requirement, and finally the key considerations, the error preventions, all of the preventions that you don't want AI to do, like things you want to be careful, and you say, oh, before responding, be careful, consider this, this, and this. And yeah, that's a nice kind of prompt template. So you can have that in a rule, and then you can also, your prompt basically can be simpler, but it's also important to mention pretty much what you want. If you have a specific idea, please attach an image. That's a really good feature. Like if you have a mockup or a similar app you want your app to look like, you can mention that and then ask Cursor to do the job. So Cursor and the model you use. Usually I use also agent mode or edit mode. Agent mode is more for deep thinking or like complex tasks, but edit mode is fine too. And if you want to ask something or you're in a new project you don't really know, you can use the ask mode. And finally, something else I wanted to speak about. So we have the three modes you can use. We have the prompt we need to be careful of. And then when you are building your project, you can also think about out of the box. Generate images. Well, it can do that for you. It will generate SVG images that will be converted to PNG. It's a really good feature. You can ask, or can you please generate images or screenshots or icons for me? And it will do that for you. So there are plenty of features you can use with Cursor. I hope this video will help, and I wish you a happy AI coding.